If you're looking to streamline your social selling efforts, Folk CRM is the tool you need. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to automate social selling with Folk CRM and how this tool can take your outreach to the next level. Stick with me because I'll also be sharing a way you can use Folk CRM for free with exclusive bonuses, so make sure to watch till the end. Folk CRM is designed to simplify your workflow and enhance relationship management, especially if you rely on social media to connect with prospects. Whether you're using LinkedIn, Twitter, or other social platforms, Folk CRM helps you stay organized and automate key parts of the process, so you never miss an opportunity to engage with potential clients. The first thing you'll notice with Folk CRM is its focus on the people in your network. It's built to give you a 360-degree view of your contacts, tracking your interactions across various channels like email, social media, and even phone calls. This is crucial for social selling because it ensures you're always up to date on the latest conversations, making your outreach more personal and relevant. The automation features within Folk CRM are what truly set it apart. You can automate follow-ups, set reminders for key touchpoints, and even sync with your social accounts to streamline your interactions. The tool doesn't just store data, it uses it to ensure you're consistently engaging with the right leads at the right time. And when you connect your social profiles to Folk CRM, it automatically tracks all your interactions, helping you keep a history of every touchpoint with your leads. This way, you can seamlessly continue the conversation, whether it's through a social platform or email. Another huge advantage of Folk CRM is the ability to segment your contacts based on specific criteria. This lets you create personalized outreach campaigns tailored to different types of leads. Instead of blasting a generic message to everyone, Folk CRM helps you craft messages that resonate with the specific interests and needs of your prospects. And because the software integrates directly with your social media accounts, it's easy to push out tailored messages at scale without losing that personal touch. Now, if you're worried about complexity, don't be. Folk CRM is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. In fact, Folk CRM is intuitive enough for beginners while offering advanced features for more seasoned marketers. If you've been looking for a simple way to get started with automation and social selling, Folk CRM is the solution. And if you're still unsure, I've got some great news for you. You can get started with Folk CRM completely free through the first link in the description below. Plus, when you use my exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial to make sure you can explore all the features and really understand how it can automate your social selling efforts. So whether you're looking to build more meaningful relationships, automate your follow-ups, or simply manage your leads more efficiently, Folk CRM is an incredibly powerful tool. Start automating social selling today and boost your productivity with Folk CRM. Don't forget to use the link below for your exclusive bonuses and free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.